Every morning, before I do anything else, I open this page. It's not just a to-do list. It's a space to plan my mind with the help of AI. I built this daily system inside Notion and connected it with AI. It's minimal but pretty powerful, and it helps me start every day with clarity. It starts with 5 simple inputs: your energy, your thoughts, your top tasks, your available time, and the window you want to use it in. That's it. Once I've filled that in, I click the prompt and let the AI respond. It generates a personalized plan based on how I feel and how much time I have. Some days I have low energy, others I'm fully focused. This system adjusts and keeps me from burning out or doing too much. This isn't about productivity for productivity's sake. It's about clarity, and AI can help when you use it right. If you want to try this system or build your own, I'll walk you through it in the next videos. Until then, thanks for watching.